Hello and welcome to day 2 of the Eat Your Chakra Challenge. Today we're talking about the Sacral Chakra, which is tied to water and really all about our emotions, our creativity, and what we want to manifest. And so bringing that into the kitchen today, wanting to share some spices and another root vegetable as well as a bunch of fruit that is tied to the Sacral Chakra. And so wanting to bring in two of my favorite spices that I love to use, let's see, curry as well as cumin. I love using both of these spices because they add so much bright color as well as they have such exotic flavors. These aren't things that we necessarily find in every day, and we don't put them in just about everything. We put them in only certain foods that really want to bring up those spices, the earthiness, as well as great for Asian and Thai foods that have any type of coconut curry, which of course is tied to water. And so what are some root vegetables or fruits that might be tied to the sacral chakra? Well, of course, oranges, right? And oranges are great, and citruses in particular, because they have so much water in them. So citrus, grapefruit, oranges, navel, or blood oranges, there's so much richness there. And one of my favorite root vegetables to use for the sacral chakra is the sweet potato. I love baking sweet potatoes, whether you're making them sweet with brown sugar and cinnamon, or making them more savory with butter and some salt and pepper. There's so many great ways to make sweet potatoes, and using them to invoke your creativity and really what you want to manifest. So if you're in the mood to bake some sweet potatoes, then I encourage you to bake and plant your seeds inside that baked potato and open that up and really allow yourself to enjoy the simple pleasures of all the delicious foods that you can eat in your kitchen. So I'm so excited to have you here for day 2, and I can't wait to share all of the awesomeness that we have going on in day 3, invoking our inner fire with the solar plexus. So till then, shine on.